Hi guys, today we're going to make a cheesy Hawaiian pizza. So here's the ingredients that we use for cheesy Hawaiian pizza. Pizza dough, pizza sauce, pineapple, white onion, mushrooms, green bell pepper, and sweet ham. First, we prepare the pizza dough. Then we're gonna spread the pizza sauce. Next, we'll add some bell peppers, onions, pineapples, ham slices, and mushrooms for the final touch. Let's add lots of cheese. We really love our pizzas to overload it with cheese. Place the pizza on the oven and preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius for at least 10 minutes. Hawaiian pizza is the most underrated pizza on the planet. Combining pineapple, cheese, and ham, Hawaiian pizza is so sweet, salty, and cheesy all in one bite. It's just the best pizza variety. Kawabanga, Crazies! This is the finished product of our cheesy Hawaiian pizza. Suggest another dish that you want us to feature next. Comment down below.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click